What's going on, everyone? Christian Da Silva here. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Chipotle chicken. This is the same recipe that the Chipotle restaurant that we all know and love uses. So I hope you enjoy. Here's what you'll need: a cutting board, a cutting knife, a large mixing bowl, tongs, a tray for your chicken, 4 to 6 chicken breasts, Chipotle pepper and adobo sauce, salt, pepper, olive oil, and garlic. To start, we have to build a marinade. We're gonna do a 7-ounce can of Chipotle pepper and adobo sauce. You can get this at your local grocery store. I get it at Walmart. Next, you're gonna do about a tablespoon of olive oil. Yeah. And now we are going to peel the garlic skin off. And we are gonna chop 6 cloves. Then we will mince them up into little pieces. And as you can tell by the fingernails, this is my sister Ashley and not me. So I want to thank you, Ashley, for assisting me today. I was behind the camera and behind the microphone. So she took care of the kitchen work today, and I got to lay back and chill. She's better than me anyways. Alright, now that she's done with that, she's gonna throw that garlic into the marinade bowl. And she's gonna move on to 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And 2 teaspoons of salt. Go ahead and sprinkle that in there, Ashley. Now, we're gonna proceed to mixing it all up. If you like it spicy, you can smash up the peppers. It'll make it hot. Now we are going to dump the marinade all over that chicken. You want to make sure that the chicken gets all lathered up and covered with the marinade. You're gonna let this marinate for about 15 minutes before putting it onto the frying pan. Once 15 minutes is up, fire up the pan, put a little cooking spray or olive oil, medium heat, bring over your chicken. Throw it on, baby. Make sure the pan is already hot before you throw it on. Ooh, look at that smoke, man. After 5 minutes, you want to flip it. This also depends on your chicken breast and how thick it is. So follow the instructions on the bag. Let that sit for another 5 minutes, and there you have it. Our Chipotle chicken is done. Throw it into a glass tray like this so you can throw it in the fridge and have meal prep all week. I eat this with my rice, I eat this with salads, anything goes, guys. Try it out, tell me how you like it. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Alright guys, more cooking videos coming soon. I'll see you guys in the next one.